Yeah, 5766 and 5771. Hey, does anybody know whatever happened to Snyder? Haven't been seeing very much Snyder containers, intermodal containers. Anybody know what happened to them? I know I see a lot of JB Hunt and EMP, but hardly ever see a Snyder anymore. If anybody knows what happened to Snyder, let me know in the comment box. The orange one. Wow, everybody, if you enjoyed this train video, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. It will help other train people come to this channel and check me out. Also, if you could do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, if you could do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video like this, you'll be notified about it. Also, leave comments. What did you think about my train video and all this and that. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video is over. Have a good one. And thanks for watching, everybody.